Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to remove widget on Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is press and hold the widget you want to remove. Okay, for my example, I remove this analog clock widget. Okay, press and hold. And okay, slide to top on remove section, okay, on the top. And that's it. We have successfully removed the widget on Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.